Hi, thanks for watching Sailing Abbey. As some of you already know, we built a tiny house and shipped it into the middle of nowhere on 5 acres off-grid living. We also enjoy getting out on the boat on our Catalina 30 and spending some time with our family. We've taken trips to Desolation Sound, Cow Bay, Maple Bay, and many trips around Salt Spring Island. Thanks for watching again as we watch our boys enjoy the ocean, fix the boat, taking cruises, and really just spending our time in the wilderness. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, leave a comment, and follow the ride. Hey, good morning, my 375 subscribers. We are off to the tiny house one more time, and it is a chilly October 27th in 2023. We're gonna get going and have a good time. We have to go and shut this tiny house down. So the boat is prepared. It's got very little things in there, and new tires, new spare tire, a whole bunch of new things. I did a little bit of work on this, so hopefully everything goes nice and smooth. If not, I will make a video of it.
We just hit the logging road and we're on our way down. It'll take us 30 minutes and we'll be at the boat launch ready to go to the tiny home.
Hey, once again, welcome to Adam and Eve River, log sort and boat ramp. We just met Mike again. He's doing some work, but we're gonna do a little boat ride across to the tiny house, and it is about 30 minutes. And shortly we'll just drop the prawn traps and get them in the water for a one-day soak. Okay, I got a real good question.
Yeah.
If you close your eyes right now, and I go do a whole bunch of 360 circles on the boat, and I do a whole bunch of 360 circles on the boat, if you close your eyes, do you know where you're going?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
How do you know?
I've been around these parts for a while now. And landmarks, houses.
That's good. No GPS,
The
nothing.
very few that.
Nothing. Like, I'm just gonna do a full circle here. You think? What do you think? You can do it, eh? Really?
Yes.
Dun 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 dun.
Right
Dun,
there.
dun,
Where that
dun,
shady
dun,
spot is.
dun, dun, dun,
Right off that point
Dun, 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 dun. Okay. We'll see if we get any prawns tomorrow.
Because you can look straight up that channel when you drop the prawns, and it's at
What
the
channel
end
is
of
this?
That channel.
What channel is this called?
Is it Cole?
Huh?
Am I wrong?
Cole.
Is it?
Yeah, I kind of gave it away.
There's Hadley Bay, and then the start of Chatham. We go through there to get to our tiny home.
Good job. Okay. Wow. Impressive.
We have our 4 prawn traps down. We're gonna come back tomorrow. It's about a 10-15 minute rip to the tiny home from here. And then we'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will be this good. We've been super lucky coming across the Johnston Strait. So calm today and so beautiful. And here, prawny.
You're ready. Abigail's fine too.
Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. We're here. Sun's going down. We're gonna go to the tiny home, unpack this crap, and make some dinner.
Alright, so let's be honest. I changed the battery, got her done. Natasha did 5 loads already with Abigail on her back. And I'm bragging I fixed the truck, but she really huffed up and down these stairs 20 times or 5 times already. Didn't you? Did you go up these stairs how many times?
I'm earning my wine.
Hey, come here.
We're here. Welcome, as Cohen would say, to the tiny home. Come with me.
Okay.
We're here. Yay! We made it. Do you want to have a bath? Yeah. Brr, it's cold in here. Say, Daddy, can you start a fire? Please?
Oh,
Yeah?
yeah, let's do that. It is chilly in here.
It is cold.
Oh, the thermometer's there. What temperature is it here today?
It is... Oh, it's like 7 degrees.
Oh my gosh. Right now outside.
Yeah.
It feels like it's 2 degrees inside.
It's a bit cold in here.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, let's start warming it up. Let's warm it up. Last time we were here, I had the boys make a big huge pile of wood, and it seemed like it fell over. And it caught a bunch of water, which kind of sucks. But lots of this is incredibly dry. So we're gonna make a fire with this wood here. It's maybe half a cord, but it's good to go.
Out is...
I think to the right is open for the dampener.
Out. I think it
Yeah.
just comes out and in. Whoa, baby.
Yeah, it's really cold this morning. How cold is it out there? Holy moly.
Nice hair, hon.
Is that me saying that to you?
Yeah. But it's really close to the house on this side, and it's under the tree, so it's probably more like 0. Look at the frost. Wow. It's the coldest day we've had waking up here ever.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know if I've seen minuses yet. But yeah, wow. It's getting warm in here. It's getting warm in here. That's so nice. And completed coffees. The black one is mine. I'm pretty sure. And a Milo that's happy. She's up in the loft, looking after Abigail. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Good
Morning, Abigail. Let's wake up, have a coffee, and let's go for a helicopter ride. I'm not joking. Do you want to go for a helicopter ride? Apparently, Mike told Natasha yesterday, Mike Buttle, that we we're going to get picked up at 9:30 at the dock. And so we got to make sure. I'm not even sure if he's joking. You think he's joking? If he's joking, we'll still be there at 9:30. If he's not joking, we're gonna go for a helicopter ride and maybe go just check out everything. How cool of you will that be?
No kidding.
Right? Just to know the area a little better.
Get to know it a little bit better from an aerial view. I know it's beautiful up here, and there's so many fingers and inlets, and it's gonna be a clear day. So.
Yeah, it's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold out there.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Shit, I'm gonna throw There's nothing like a healthy adrenaline rush. Wow.
That is a nice looking helicopter. Holy cow. Look how shiny it is.
I know.
He's actually coming down to get us, isn't he?
I know. I cannot
This is
believe that we
exciting.
are going on a helicopter ride.
Oh my god. He's having fun. Yes. This is incredible. Hey, honey.
Yeah.
Say you love me forever. Say that you'll be mine. 'Cause on this day I'll treasure. Could it be like this for the rest of our lives? I'll choose you and better always. Put your hands in mine, don't look back. Caution to the wind, let's start this dance. You're a little crazy, and I'm a little messed up, but I ain't got no maybes. You're my only one, I need you like a drug. My medication love, yeah, I'm ready to jump and choose you. And better or worse, I'll choose you, even when it hurts. 'Cause I'll choose you, every chance that I take. You'll never be second place, every moment, every day. I'll choose you. I'll choose you. Always choose only you, my love. I'll put you first, give you all my trust. I'll always choose only you, my love. I'll put you first, give me all your trust. I choose you, better or worse. I choose you, even when it hurts. I'll choose you, every chance that I take. You'll never be second place, every moment, every day. I'll choose you, better or worse. I'll choose you, even when it hurts. 'Cause I'll choose you, every chance that I take. You'll never be second place, every moment, every day. I'll choose you, always choose only you, my love.
That was so much fun. Unbelievable. Look how fast he is going. He is going so fast right now.
Oh my god.
I can't believe that just happened.
That was crazy.
Yeah?
Never in a million years would I ever imagine that today we went on a helicopter ride and got to see like half of Broughton Archipelago
Oh my
in 30
God.
minutes. That was the most amazing experience I've ever had to this date.
It was like
Except
heavenly.
for my children. Having my children.
You're so full of it.
That was so cool. That was a total adrenaline rush too. Wow.
Oh my God, hey?
That's crazy.
Let's go again. Come on back, come back. Come back.
Oh my god. Might
Oh
be
my
getting a
God.
Christmas box from us.
Oh my God.
That was amazing. It was amazing. And Abigail was so good. She slept the whole time.
Did you sleep on a helicopter? Like, how is that even possible? Did you fall asleep?
She said I had my earbuds in. I was listening to you guys chatter,
Yeah.
drinking some warm milk, and then I just fell asleep.
I can't believe it. I don't even feel like vertigo or sick or anything.
That was such a swanky
Oh
helicopter.
my God. Now that our crazy helicopter ride is complete, let's get back to reality here. You know, back to our tiny living in the tiny house. Because I have a few projects I wanted to get done. I actually, I'm going to try and build some sawhorses really quick so I can create a table. And then I'll cut a bunch of trim and install the trim on a couple of the windows inside. That's my plan today. Hopefully I can get a little proactive with that. Oh, and one more project. I gotta go get a big long extension cord, and then I gotta run it all the way to the well. And the well is like 200 feet away because we need to fill up the water tank here. The water level's getting pretty low. Oh, look at the smoke from the fire is going. but the water level's getting a little bit low. And this white line here goes and fills it up, and the blue line goes to the tiny house. So, one more project. And one thing we got to do, she's just took off. But she's working on the road. I think she just really wanted to do something. Natasha is having a good time with a weed eater right now. Let's go find her. What are you working on? Where?
The driveway.
All right, get her done. So I think get all of it, all the grass, even that. Today is like an 8-knot tide in Chatham Channel, and the water level is right all the way up. It's so high. It might be one of the highest ones I've seen, hun. Maybe one of the highest tides I've seen. Even some of these logs, like that big huge log that's there, has floated up.
Yeah.
And in more.
I just can't believe how much wildlife and like birds and waterfowl. It's crazy. Like just, it would be like a bird watcher's paradise.
It is. I don't even like birds. I'm joking. Now this is my tiny house wood shop. Yeah, I know, it's nothing special, but the view is amazing. I got my table saw and my chop saw, and I've got all of my cordless everything else. We're gonna make some door trim. Door trim all out of this beautiful yellow cedar. Smells amazing, looks amazing. And that's gonna finish off the sliding glass door. It's cold out. It's chilly. Well, it's dinner time. We need to eat a few prawns because we have hundreds of them. And it's warm inside, and we got a beer and a glass of wine, and everything is looking good. So just gonna sit down, relax, and enjoy the evening because it has been a busy day. I didn't get to go on a helicopter today, but I did chop a whole bunch of wood. So we're just gonna chill out and have a good time. Maybe go to bed early today. I don't know. It's well-deserved. It's well-deserved. I told you there's prawns. Look at
Yeah.
this. Whoa.
So they're a little bit more like Creole, or like they look burnt, but they're not burnt. They're in like a different sauce than we normally make. It's garlic butter, but it's also got a little bit of
Nice. Okay.
a little bit of fire.
Let's
Pork
have
chops,
it.
potatoes are underneath. Good luck.
Okay. Thank you.
No thanks.
We're just making some breakfast right now. Look at this beautiful eggs and bacon and mushrooms. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that you? You're busy. So everything runs on propane here. Hot water on propane. Oven and stove is propane. The only big appliance really is the fridge here, which is electric. Other than that, it's kind of smoky in here from all of our cooking and trying to light this fire. And holy, this morning I got rid of all of the coals, so it's been a tough start, but the fire is going just barely. And it's been a struggle. That's ridiculous. It just took too much work. But we gotta get it going because it's gotta get warm in here. Close that up. But in the next little while, I have to blow out, actually add all this antifreeze to all the water lines and pump that through the tiny house. I'll show you how I do it. This will be my first time, so I'm no expert at this at all. Now, I've been forgetting to take video today, but here is the one jug, full, empty. And so I'm taking it out of, I stopped that, closed the valve on the water tank, and this comes all the way down to this valve here. And that T, the one on the right, goes to the tiny house. So by closing the valve up top, that means this is turned off, and whatever I suck up here is going into the tiny house, and that goes all the way in. And so we're having some pretty good success, except that this is empty. So let's fill it up. And now it's full, just like that, it's full. So let's do the kitchen sink here. Just because I took out that hose, there's an air bubble in the line right now. It's gonna take a little while to prime it, I think. And that's it, that's the last one.
Hey, thanks for watching Sailing Abbey. I can't believe that we arrived at the dock at Adam and Eve River to a surprise helicopter ride set up by Mike. That was the most beautiful experience that Natasha and I could really have ever had. After reality check, we finished a few things, blew out the water lines, we cleaned up, made sure everything was settled for the winter. Now we're ready for a sailing trip on our Catalina 30. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and follow the ride.